MAVA represents leadership and excellence in the field of volunteer management. We know, as do our members, that it takes knowledge and expertise to make the volunteer experience meaningful for everyone. By providing training, consultation, and networking, we give members a chance to grow in those skills.
There's only one volunteer manager at my organization, so I don't get the chance to, internally I don't get the chance to share ideas about volunteer management with the people that I work with every day, so having that external network is really important.
I just thought to myself, volunteerism, really? I don't call it volunteerism. To me, it's about an obligation. It's a cultural obligation to help your neighbor, your family, the people that surround you.
Well, you should donate to MAVA because MAVA is supporting communities of volunteers throughout the state of Minnesota, which in turn supports communities in Minnesota. So you can help to strengthen your state by strengthening the volunteers throughout Minnesota.